Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I have a Dollar General and a Dollar Tree haul. I wanted to start with this microfiber glass and mirror cloth. I'm going to be doing my mirrors and windows, and I want to see how this works. So we shall see. This will probably be coming up in an upcoming video. From Dollar General, I got this Scotch-Brite dish wand brush that holds soap. I'm going to find out how this works, see if it's any good. I'll let you know also whether this is any good or not. Also got some of this Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. It's got 55. It's got a lightweight, clean feel, it says. I put some on my hand, and it doesn't look as shiny as the normal stuff. I think I'm going to like this. And that's all from Dollar General. The thing I got was a litter box scooper. This is rather large than the one I had before. I'm thinking it might make the job a little bit quicker, but my other one broke. Sergeant, they're called Band Sack Squeeze On Flea and Tick Control for dogs. So I'm going to try these and see how they work. It works up to 4 weeks, which is a month. We'll see if it does, and I'll let you know. On this, and I'd never seen it before, it's the Sergeant's Natural Guardian. It's for cats and kittens to help kill fleas. We have one outdoor cat that I want to try this on. He keeps scratching really bad, and it being all natural, I think it would be great for the cat. I'll let you know also how this works. My husband picked up a couple of these snacker bones for Miska. I don't know, I think that's one bone. Yeah, it's one bone a piece in each one to give her as a treat or a snack. I also picked up this Auto Bright Super Penetrating Lubricant. Not for nuts and bolts, but actually our doors were squeaking. It comes with this little thing that you can insert in it to help pinpoint where you want it to go. And it stopped our doors from squeaking. So for $1, I think it's a good buy. Got some magic erasers, or they're like the magic erasers, but they're the Dollar Tree kind. I've used these many times and they work great. I found this soft soap, Earth Blend liquid hand soap. It's in the scent of coconut and fig. I'm going to try this out in our bathroom. It smelled great, and it was a soft soap brand, so I was like, oh, okay, I'm trying that. The item that I found is Fabuloso in the lemon scent. I have never seen this before, and it must be new. I opened it in the store, and it smells amazing. It also says long-lasting freshness, so we'll see how it works. 3 signs. This one says, a kitchen is the heart of the home, that I want to hang up in my kitchen once I paint my cabinet. Then I found this one, which I thought was really cute, called Table Rules. Eat until you're full. Clear your dishes. Don't play with your food. Put a napkin on your lap. Eat your vegetables. Sit up straight. Remember your table manners. Fruit and friends always welcome. Be grateful. Chew with your mouth closed. Say please and thank you. And in the center it says wash your hands. So I thought that was really cute. I'm going to put that in my dining room. I found this one and loved it. It says all I need is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Y'all come back now. You hear?